Hello and welcome to the Great North Gardener. Here you can find help in starting and creating a garden for your home. In this video, we're going to be looking at the top 5 plants that will attract all those buzzing, flapping, fluttering little creatures to your garden. Whether you're a seasoned green thumb or just starting out, this how-to guide will give you the know-how to transform your outdoor space into a pollinator paradise. So, grab your wellies and let's get started. First up, we've got the one and only, the fragrant legend itself, lavender. This plant is not just a treat for the eyes, but also a delight for the nose. Its vibrant purple blooms and soothing scent make it a favorite in gardens and homes alike. Seriously, who doesn't love lavender? It's like nature's own aromatherapy session. Just a whiff of it can transport you to a place of calm and relaxation. Families often visit lavender fields to enjoy its beauty and fragrance, making it a perfect spot for a day out. It's like the VIP lounge for bees and butterflies. These little pollinators can't get enough of it. The sight of bees buzzing and butterflies fluttering around lavender is a testament to its allure. It's a bustling hub of activity, a mini ecosystem in itself. Those purple blooms are like a siren song to these little guys. And the smell, forget about it. The fragrance is so captivating that it draws in pollinators from far and wide. It's a win-win situation. The plants get pollinated, and the bees and butterflies get their nectar fix. It's like walking into a perfume shop, but way less stuffy, and with more bees. Imagine strolling through a field of lavender, the air filled with its sweet scent and the gentle hum of bees all around. It's a sensory experience like no other, but it's not just about the looks and the smell, oh no. Lavender is also incredibly versatile. You can use it in cooking, in teas, and even in beauty products. Its essential oil is renowned for its calming properties, and is a staple in many households. Lavender is a hardy plant, which means it can handle a bit of tough love, a bit of wind, a bit of rain. It's not one of those high-maintenance plants that need constant pampering. It thrives in various conditions, making it a gardener's best friend. It's not a diva, it's happy to just chill in your garden looking pretty and attracting all the pollinators. Whether you have a sprawling garden or a small balcony, lavender can fit right in and bring a touch of nature's elegance to your space. Plus, you can dry out the flowers and make those little lavender pouches that your nan loves. Everyone wins. These pouches are perfect for freshening up drawers, closets, and even cars. They make wonderful gifts and are a great way to keep the scent of lavender with you all year round. Next up, we've got the sunflowers. These golden beauties are not just a treat for the eyes, but also a symbol of joy and positivity. Their bright yellow petals and towering stems can instantly lift your spirits and transform any garden into a vibrant paradise. I mean, come on, they're like the rock stars of the garden, big, bold, and always reaching for the sky. Their impressive height and striking appearance make them the focal point of any garden, drawing attention and admiration from everyone who sees them. And the pollinators, they go absolutely nuts for them. Bees, butterflies, and other beneficial insects are irresistibly drawn to the nectar and pollen that sunflowers provide, making them a crucial part of any eco-friendly garden. It's like a giant all-you-can-eat buffet for bees, butterflies, even birds. Fancy a bit of sunflower action? The seeds are a favorite snack for many bird species, providing them with essential nutrients and energy. And let's be honest, they're just cheerful, aren't they? Their bright, sunny faces seem to radiate happiness and warmth, making them a perfect addition to any garden looking to add a touch of joy and positivity. Like a big, sunny face smiling up at you from the garden. It's hard not to feel a sense of contentment and peace when you're surrounded by these beautiful blooms. They're also dead easy to grow. Even I haven't managed to kill one yet, and that's saying something. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a complete novice, sunflowers are incredibly forgiving and resilient. You can practically chuck the seeds in the ground and they'll grow. It's like magic. With just a little bit of care and attention, you'll have a garden full of these stunning flowers in no time. So why not give it a try and add some sunshine to your garden? Now, for those of you who like things a little less, shall we say high maintenance, let me introduce you to the wonder that is the coneflower. These perennial plants are not only stunning, but also incredibly resilient. These beauties are like the strong, silent type of the plant world. They stand tall and proud, showcasing their vibrant petals without needing much from you. They don't need a lot of fuss, making them perfect for gardeners who prefer a more hands-off approach. Whether you have a green thumb or not, coneflowers are forgiving and easy to grow. They're not constantly demanding attention, which means you can spend more time enjoying your garden rather than working in it. They thrive on neglect, which is a rare and wonderful trait in the plant world. They just get on with it, growing and blooming beautifully with minimal intervention. Their deep roots make them drought tolerant, so they can handle dry spells with ease, looking gorgeous and attracting all the right kinds of attention from the pollinator crowd. Bees, butterflies, and even hummingbirds are drawn to their nectar-rich blooms. Bees and butterflies absolutely love them, making your garden a lively and buzzing haven for these essential creatures. This not only helps the environment, but also adds a dynamic element to your garden. And they come in a whole bunch of different colors, from purples and pinks to oranges and whites. This variety allows you to create a visually stunning garden with a mix of hues, so you can mix and match, designing your garden to reflect your personal style. Whether you prefer a monochromatic look or a vibrant multicolored display, Coneflowers can accommodate. Create your own little pollinator party in your garden. With Coneflowers, you get the best of both worlds, a low-maintenance plant that offers high-impact beauty and supports local wildlife. Right, let's talk about bee balm. And no, it's not just for bees, although they do go bonkers for it. This plant is like a neon sign to pollinators. It's like shouting, "Hey, over here, we've got the good stuff." Butterflies love it, hummingbirds can't get enough of it, and the bees? Well, it's called bee balm for a reason. Plus, it comes in these amazing, vibrant colors, reds, pinks, purples, you name it. It's like a party in your garden and everyone's invited. Last but not least, we've got the humble marigold. Now, these little beauties are like the superheroes of the garden. Not only do they attract bees and other beneficial insects with their bright, cheerful colors, but they also help to keep those pesky pests at bay. It's like having your own little army of garden guardians, protecting your plants and looking good while they're doing it. Plus, they're super easy to grow. Even if you're a bit of a gardening novice like me, you can't really go wrong with marigolds. So there you have it, my top 5 plants for attracting pollinators to your garden. Whether you're a bee enthusiast, a butterfly buff, or just want to do your bit for the environment, these plants are sure to bring your garden to life. Tell us what you think in the comments and like and subscribe. Happy gardening!